Hi everybody, Miss.Rainier here. It's Friday. We've started our spring break, but I just wanted to hop on today and do a fun little Easter STEM science challenge with you. So I'm gonna get behind my table. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a little peep experiment. We're gonna do a peep experiment. And what we're going to do is we are going to test a pack of bunny Peeps, and we're going to put them in 3 different types of liquids to see which one of these solutions can break down our Peep the quickest. So our first is just plain old water. Then we have some orange soda. And then we have vinegar. And so we're gonna put these Peeps, one in each container. It's not gonna dissolve right away, but over time, over the next couple hours, the Peep will break down differently in each different solution. Now I wish that you guys were here and we were able to do this together, but unfortunately we're not. But if at home, if you have Peeps, you can even do this on Monday. Say you get Peeps in your Easter basket on Sunday. As long as you have Peeps, you have water, any type of soda, and any type of vinegar, you can actually do this experiment at home to test which one of these will break down the Peeps the fastest. So we know that when we have to go through our scientific steps, right, in the engineering process, and we always have to start with a question or a problem. So our question is, which substance will a Peep dissolve fastest in? Water, soda, or vinegar? And so to make an educated hypothesis or guess, I have to think about what I already know about Peeps, what I already know about these different solutions, right? So I know that Peeps are made of sugar primarily, and they have a sticky substance on the inside. I know that water is water, right? It doesn't really have a lot of changing factors in it. Soda can have some of those acidic things that may break something down quickly. And then vinegar, I haven't really worked a lot with vinegar, so I don't have a lot of background knowledge of how vinegar may break down a substance. So after thinking about, and you can even research, you can even pause the video right now, and you could look up some different facts about vinegar, some facts about soda, and how they might break down a substance. So my hypothesis, my guess will be, I personally think that the soda will break down the Peeps the fastest. So I want you to pause this video right now, and I want you to comment below, what is your hypothesis? Which one of these 3 substances will break down the Peeps the fastest? Will it be water, will it be soda, or will it be vinegar? So I want you to comment and say your name, and then what your hypothesis is, which substance will break it down quickest, and why you think that substance will break it down quickest. And so now we're ready to put our Peeps in. And so it's gonna take a couple hours for us to start to see some changes of the Peeps in the different solutions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back 2 hours from now, and I'm gonna take a picture of the Peeps in the different solutions. I'm going to post it in the comments below. I'm also going to post it on Dojo so that you can make some observations about what changes are happening in each solution 2 hours in. And then I'm going to post another picture at 4 hours in of the same Peeps in the solutions, and then the final photo will be at 6 hours in, and we'll see. So 6 hours from now will be about 5 o'clock tonight around dinner time. You can check in for that final picture. So I'll post a picture at 2 hours, at 4 hours, and at 6 hours. The pictures will be in the comments and on Dojo so that you can watch the process and make some observations as to how these different substances are changing the Peeps. Remember, you can do this at home. As long as you have Peeps and you have water, any type of soda, and vinegar, then you'll be able to do this at home really easily. And even if you don't have these substances, if you look online, there's a lot of fun different science experiments you could do with Peeps. All right, Peep number 1 is in the vinegar. Peep number 2 is in the soda. And peep number 3 is in the water. And now they're actually floating in the substances right now, which I didn't expect. So bonus, you could comment below and tell me, why are the peeps floating? Why haven't they dropped to the bottom? All right, so check back in 2 hours to see the first picture of how they're dissolving, and then at 4 hours, and then at 6 hours to see our final results. All right, don't forget to comment below what's your hypothesis, and then check back for pictures of how our peeps are dissolving. Bye, everybody.